Welcome to Daily Motivation and Inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your higher and best self. You know, it's interesting that we have so much talent and ability. You know, God gave us so much talent and ability, and that's the gift to us, but we should be developing that talent and ability. You know, so how do we develop this talent and ability? I'm going to give you 3 things, because you can gain all sorts of information, but unless you apply that knowledge, unless you use your superpower, which is your mind, your mindset, that knowledge will be wasted. So the first thing that you want to do in order to develop your full self, because you will get so much information in your life, but you probably won't apply it all. But you can do your best to implement what you learn. So the first thing you want to do is to be curious. If you're curious and you look around the world like a child does, and you know what children are like, you know, if you have childlike curiosity, you will persist. I mean, you know what a child is like. If they want something, they'll ask 1,000 questions, and if they don't get what they want, they'll ask 1,000 more. They will persist, and they will keep going. They have this curiosity, this insatiable curiosity, and they will keep asking and keep going and keep looking and trying to find a solution. Childlike curiosity, that's the first step. So if you have childlike curiosity, then you're going to ask different questions, and you're going to look at different things, and you're going to persist. You will not quit. You will not stop. So that's the first thing. The second thing you want to do is you want to have faith. You have to have faith that what you want. And again, if you're thinking with childlike curiosity, like a child, you're going to have faith that you're going to get what you want, because you want it. There's no question about it. You want it, you're going to have that thing, and you're not going to stop until you get it. So if you have faith, active-based faith, which is anticipating what you want, you vision what you want, you picture it, you see it, you know what it feels like, and you're going to get it because you have childlike curiosity. That's the second thing. The third thing you want to do is you want to continue to read and learn. You need to keep learning from people who have done what you're intending to do. You need to follow people and study their material, and sometimes you need to hear it thousands of times, or maybe not that many, maybe hundreds of times, but you need to hear it and see it and understand it. And that's where learning comes in. And today, it's not just books or audiobooks, it is videos like this where you can learn and you can implement and you can get things done. Now, you're going to get to the end of your life at some point in time, and you're going to want to know that you did your best. And the problem today is that we compare ourselves against things that we know and understand. We compare ourselves against others. So we can't do that. We can't keep doing that and expect to live a full and happy life and become a better version of ourselves. It doesn't work that way. But if you do the 3 things that I just mentioned, and be curious, childlike curiosity, have faith, read, study, and learn, be a Kaizen practitioner. Read and study and learn. Never stop. And implement what you learn. Take action. When you take action, you're going to cause reaction. That's just the laws of the universe. Action causes reaction. Take some action, assess, see how that looks and feels. If it worked for you, great, do some more. If it didn't, stop. Unless your curiosity and your faith is taking you in that direction. So this is my advice to you today. Be a child, be childlike, and take steps and move forward. And have faith. Trust that you're going to get what you want. And remember, do your best to stop mental blindness disease, or to cure mental blindness disease, by thinking differently and doing different things today. Just do one thing. And if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, I have more like this that will help you become a better version of yourself. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.